In this video, I will show you how to edit PDF in pdfgear online. So friends, go to Google. If you want to edit your PDF, search for this keyword. After that, you will scroll down, click the first result, click this website from here, and then click PDF online tools, and then click edit PDF. After that, just wait a few seconds, select your PDF that you want to edit. For example, this is my PDF file, and then from here, friends, you can start editing your PDF by click on this banner, blue banner, and then you will a free PDF edited. Just you can write edited. You can add, for example, you can add lines, you can add a sharp, add a circle. For example, this is a circle. You can add any circle here. If I scroll down, you can start highlighting your text. This is the highlight option. From here, just select your highlight area text. This is one. And then from here, you can start highlighting, as you can see here. And then you have a lot of options. You can draw link, draw ink, this option. And then you can also add signature option, add signature from here, add the type of signature, and then you can use your signatures. You can upload your image in your computer, and then you can scroll down and you can strike through text from this option, add link and this text. For example, this is for links. So friends, this is how you can to edit your PDF. You can underline the text from here, as you can see here. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.